Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to remove a green screen background right from the edit page using the 3D keyer effect. Let's jump right in. Start by placing your green screen clip on video track 2 and the background clip on video track 1 in the timeline. The green screen clip should sit on top since it's the subject we're focusing on. Next, select the green screen clip, head to the effects library on the top left and search for 3D keyer. Drag and drop this effect onto your green screen clip. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look at the viewer window and on the bottom left corner, click the button to enable OpenFX Overlay. This will allow you to interact with the 3D keyer directly in the viewer. With OpenFX Overlay enabled, use the eyedropper tool to draw a line around the green area surrounding your subject. This action tells the 3D keyer to target the green background for removal. You'll notice the green starts to disappear. But let's refine it further. Adjust the despill values in the inspector to remove any leftover green tint from the edges of your subject. Once you're satisfied, your green screen background is gone and the background clip on track 1 will now replace it. Preview your edit and you're good to go. And there you have it. Green screen removal made simple in DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick editing tips.